Hi, I'm Brandon. Welcome to TRA Snow Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow Sun. Today we're going to be installing a C21 clamp on a 1-inch mechanical seam. Tools you'll be needing: a torque wrench set to 30 foot-pounds, a 9/16 inch socket, a 7/16 inch socket, both of them deep well, a chalk line, a tape measure, a grinder with a cutting disc or a hacksaw, and a 4mm Allen. Let's get right to it. Our C21 install on our 1-inch mechanical seam. Please make sure your teeth are on the side with your open hem. Take your clamp, take it to your roof, install it with your teeth on the open side of the hem right here. Line it up with your chalk line to ensure a straight bar, and finger tight your clamp. Grab your torque wrench with your 9/16 inch socket set to 30 foot-pounds and proceed to tighten. Make sure switching from nut to nut along the way. We should be getting there. You should hear a beep. "30 foot-pounds. Install your tube. Take your ice flag. Install it with the 90-degree facing uphill, simply over the pipe. Take your ice flag bolt and nut provided by TRA. Install with the carriage bolt on the downhill side. And tighten to 15 foot-pounds. Take your collar along with your 4mm Allen. Install your collar on the inside of your last terminated clamp. Take your Allen, making sure your pipe does not extend more than 6 inches past your clamp, and tighten to 12 foot-pounds. This ensures your pipe from coming out of your last clamp. Proceed to take your end cap and install on your ends. You can see we've already installed these. That concludes the install of a C21 on a 1-inch mechanical seam. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 for sales at trasnowsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thank you for joining us.